Number 6. Subscription boxes. Everyone loves surprises, especially the kind that show up at your door every month. That's the magic of subscription boxes. From healthy snacks to skincare, self-care kits, or even book clubs in a box, these little packages turn one-time buyers into loyal monthly customers. Here's the formula. Step 1. Choose a theme that excites you and solves a problem. Maybe it's a Sunday self-care box, a coffee lover's kit, or a productivity pack for busy entrepreneurs. The more specific your theme, the more your box stands out in the sea of generic offers. Step 2. Source your items smartly. Buy in bulk, find local suppliers, or even collaborate with small brands who want exposure. Many will give you products at discount, or free samples, just to be featured in your box. That's how you keep costs low while maintaining value. Then, step 3. Price for profit. Most subscription boxes go for $30 to $50 each. That means even 100 subscribers can bring in between $3,000 and $5,000 every single month. And because it's a subscription, that's recurring income, the holy grail of any side hustle. Now, here's where it gets fun. Build hype on social media. Record short unboxing videos with nice lighting, soft music, and that satisfying reveal moment. People don't just want the products, they want the experience. When they see others opening your boxes with excitement, curiosity takes over, and curiosity sells. Start small, maybe pack 10 boxes for friends or local customers. Get feedback and refine. Over time, as word spreads, you'll have a business that literally delivers happiness to people's doors every month. And that's the beauty of it. You're not just selling items, you're selling anticipation. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.